There are many types of cookies, but these are by far the simplest to bake. Perfect to dunk in hot chocolate, or as a nice snack. Yogurt biscuits will conquer kids and grown-ups. Manuel the stove. Ready? Go! First of all, flour in the bowl, 1 pinch of salt, baking powder, sugar, 1 egg. Stir with a spatula and add to the yogurt, the undisputed star of these cookies. I can now add to the oil. Mix everything and flavor with lemon zest and vanilla seeds. Okay, thank you, spatula. Let's now proceed with our hands. Let's move to the work surface. Start hand kneading well. Sprinkling with sunflower. Let's cut it into 30-gram pieces. Now, my beautiful dripping pan with parchment paper, and all I'll do is roll each piece of dough into a little robe more or less of this size. Then I close it like a donut and place it on the baking tray. I'll space the biscuits well, because they will grow bigger during cooking. Ready to bake at 180 degrees in static mode, and in 22 minutes they will be ready. Here they are, my cookies ready to taste. Find below the link to the photo recipe on GialloZafferano for ingredients, measurements and step-by-step procedure. If you liked this video, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, write them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. Yogurt cookies.
Ciao YouTube.